Almost nobody is talking about Claude's most powerful feature, native connectors, powered by MCP. Claude isn't stuck in a browser tab anymore. It can securely scan your Google Drive, check your calendar, and read your GitHub reports in real time. Here exactly how to set it up. So first we have to go to the Claude.ai website, and then in the bottom right corner section you can see the profile icon. Then here you just click on this setting option. Then you can see the setting window, and here all the menus are here. So from all the menus here, just click on this connectors option. Then when you go to this connectors option, you can see the all the connectors I have already connected or not connected. Like in all section, all you see is eraser connector, Google Drive, GitHub integration, Gmail, Google Calendar. Okay, and if you click on this connected tab, you can just see the those two, eraser and Google Drive, that are already connected. And if you click on this not connected, you can see the connectors GitHub integration that are not connected. In this connectors section, you just see the 6 connector, but there is also many connectors. How you can access that? Just click on this add button, and after you just click on this browse connectors. Then just the directory window pop up, and here you can just search the connectors you want. Like in this section, you just see the Canva, Figma, Microsoft 365, Gmail, Notion. Okay, suppose you want to connect with Supabase, just write here Supabase, then you can see the Supabase here. Okay, so for example, I want to connect with Notion, so I just write here Notion. So here you can see the Notion card. Click on this Notion card. So after you appear in this Notion section, you can see the description, tools, categories, and all the details here. Here in this tool section, it says search, face, create pages. That's mean when you connect with this Notion from Claude, then Claude can access your Notion. And when Claude connect with your Notion, it can search your Notion, it can face your Notion, and it can also create page, update page, move pages, or duplicate pages. To connect with Notion, just click on this connect button, and when you click on this connect button, it's a grant access to Notion. Then it's going to the Notion website. Then it's a authorize with Claude from Notion. Just click on this continue button, and after you click on this continue button, just wait a few seconds. So after this, the Notion is connected successfully. If you want to see the is it actually connected with Claude, just go to the settings option and click on this connectors, and here you can see the Notion is on check mark. That's mean it already is connected. In this connected tab, you can see the Notion appear here. So if you click on this Notion again, you can see the whole tool permission section. Here are two permission section. One is read only tools, and second is write or delete tools. From read only tools, that's mean right now Claude can access your Notion, and when Claude access your Notion, Claude can create a Notion attachment, Claude can create a paste comment. Okay, Claude also can create a Notion database. So here's the permission section, always allow, needs approval, or blocked. You just can select any of this to needs approval or always allow. Okay, just click any of this section to customize this permission section here from here. So after this, so now Claude is completely connected with Notion. So as a test purpose, in this chat box, you just write here, can you access my Notion? And when you hit enter, so as you can see, Claude reply is yes, you have got Notion connected. So I can search your workspace, face pages, create pages, and more. What you like to do in there? So that's mean right now I can search, create, or delete or modify any Notion pages or database from in this chat box. So that's how you can connect with Claude with Notion. I hope you understand how you can connect with third-party apps from Claude. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.